This is a 2019 Ford F150, and this is the limited. It's the very top echelon trim level for Ford F-150s. 22-inch wheels, beautiful Ingot Silver paint is what they call it. And this thing's got the two-tone brown and tan interior. Just gorgeous. Massaging seats, lovely layout there on the dash. This one has 112,000 miles. And this is powered by the 3.5-liter EcoBoost, but it's not the regular one, it's the high output. So this thing's 450 horsepower. It's the same motor they use in the Raptor. You see there's the limited badge on the console. It's got navigation, it's going to have 360 camera, it's got park assist, it's got the huge panoramic sunroof up top, it's got the Bang & Olufsen sound system in it. Seating for 5, armrests with cup holders in the back, and a really nice flat floor underneath the seats too for storage. Heated rear seats on this thing, air conditioner vents for those rear passenger occupants also. A tow hitch out back, power tailgate, a step on the tailgate, Line-X bed liner, and a tonneau cover up top too. You're gonna really love this truck. Come check it out, next level in Hillsboro.